friends, this is memory based question from a reinforced cement concrete asked in GATE 2018 in civil engineering in a forenoon session. The question was asked actually for 1 mark. The question is, a steel column of ISHB 350 at the rate 72.4 kg per meter is subjected to a factored axial compression load of 2000 kilonewton. The load is transferred to a concrete pedestal of a grade M20 through a square base plate. The bearing strength of the concrete is 0.45 FCK. The length of the side of base plate required is. So here we need to calculate the dimension of the base plate. Here we should know they have given one column, steel column ISHB 350. It is resting on the base plate and the base plate is resting over the concrete pedestal, and the concrete is having the grade of M20. The bearing strength of the concrete is given 0.45 FCK. So we can calculate the area of pedestal, and that is actually, if we know how to calculate the area of pedestal, that means exactly we are calculating the area of base plate. So sides easily we can calculate because it is a square plate. So we can write here area of bearing plate equal to applied load, that is your 2000 kilonewton. It is factored load, so into 10 to the power 3. Bearing strength of the concrete is already given as per as 456 2000. It is actually equal to 0.45 FCK. So here that we can write 0.45 into FCK. The grade of the concrete is given M20, so 20 Newton per mm square. Since it is the area of the base plate, we want to calculate the dimension of the base plate. So we can take the square root because we are going to design a square plate. So sides we have calculated, and the side of base plate we have calculated equal to 47.1 centimeter. It is in centimeter. From here you will be getting the answer in mm square. You just take the square root, the answer will be in mm, then we can convert in centimeter. The option was given, the nearest option was given 48. So answer is 48 centimeter. Answer is 48 centimeter. This is the side of base plate. So we are going to provide the base plate of dimension 48 cross 48 centimeter. Since it is a memory based question, if you have any doubt regarding the questions, data and the solution, this is our contact number. You are free to call us. Thank you so much.